Hi, I'm Jamin. If you're looking for someone who can help you grow your Amazon business strategically, you're in the right place. I've spent over 6 years working hands-on with Amazon sellers, helping brands launch, optimize, and scale profitably. My expertise goes beyond just PPC management. I help with Amazon PPC strategy, listing optimization, keyword research, account management, launch planning, SEO, A+ content strategy, and overall growth execution. What makes my approach different is that I don't focus on vanity metrics. Anyone can reduce ACoS by cutting spend. I focus on profitable growth. That means building clean campaign structures, improving conversion, identifying scaling opportunities, and making data-driven decisions that actually grow your brand. Whether you're launching a new product or trying to scale an existing Amazon business, I bring practical experience and a growth-focused mindset. If that sounds like what you need, I'd be happy to discuss your project. Looking forward to working with you.